ready to transform your imagination into stunning video realities, all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Let's dive straight into Leonardo AI. First, head over to Leonardo and log in once you're in. The magic begins with crafting a compelling prompt. Think of this as your director's instruction to the AI. The more detailed, the better the results. Next, style is key. Explore Leonardo AI's diverse range of artistic styles. Do you want a cinematic masterpiece, a vibrant anime scene, or perhaps a classic illustration? Choose the style that best aligns with your vision to guide the AI's visual interpretation. Fine-tune your output. Adjust parameters like resolution for crisp details, aspect ratio to fit your platform, whether it's widescreen YouTube or vertical TikTok, and the number of images you want Leonardo AI to generate from your prompt. More options mean more choices. Now, hit generate and watch the AI weave its magic. Leonardo AI will process your prompt and style selections to create a series of images. Review these images and select the ones that truly capture the essence of your video concept. Refine your chosen images using Leonardo AI's built-in editing tools. You can use inpainting to fix small details or outpainting to expand the image beyond its original borders. These tools provide precise control over the final look of each frame. Animate your stills by using external animation tools to breathe life into your creations. Import your refined images into tools like After Effects and create basic keyframes to simulate motions and make them move. You can also use other free AI animation tools to enhance the movement of the images. Finally, compile your animated sequences into a full video using your preferred video editing software. Add music, sound effects, and text overlays to further enhance your storytelling. With practice, you will make amazing videos from your imagination using AI, and that's it. A quick video done. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPod creative tutorials. Happy creating AI videos, video creation.